Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using these system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smart band, and you can do it by pressing on the touch sensitive button right here on the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called reset, it's at the bottom, tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we need to press and hold the touch sensitive button to confirm and start the resetting process. Okay, so let's press and hold, then release it, and now the smart band should start resetting itself. So let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.